The digital cafe, eat and exchange. This is Max. Max is 20 years old and loves his grandma's apple pie. Now he has moved to study. He is sad, because he does not know how to bake it himself. This is Renata. She is a pensioner and wants to communicate with her granddaughter. But she doesn't know how to use her computer. Max and Renata meet in the digital cafe. Max enjoys a delicious slice of Renata's apple pie. She is happy to give him the recipe as well as some tips for baking. In return, Max explains her how to use Skype and Renata cries out of joy to see her granddaughter. Renata finds out that the Digital Cafe is an initiative run by Leuphana students. It is a place where different generations meet, drink coffee and learn together in a relaxed atmosphere. This cafe is one answer to solve the problem of the digital gap between generations. This video is made by Group Digital Literacy 71.